If equipped, Active Driving Assist is a driver assistance feature that helps maintain vehicle position and speed. The system operates at speeds of up to 90 miles per hour or 145 kilometers per hour when lane markings are detected. To activate ADA, you must be driving with your hands on the steering wheel. Push the ADA button on the right side of the steering wheel. If Adaptive Cruise Control was previously disabled, it will be enabled along with the Active Driving Assist. Push and release the Set Plus or Set Minus button when the desired speed is reached to engage ACC, and adjust the ACC distance setting as needed. If Adaptive Cruise Control was active before enabling the Active Driving Assist, ACC will remain active with the previously set speed and distance settings. When all necessary conditions are met, ADA will automatically engage lane centering, and the steering wheel icon in the instrument cluster display will change from white to green. ADA system status is shown in the cluster, along with any warnings. For example, if the system detects driver inattentiveness, such as hands off the steering wheel icon will change from green to yellow to red to warn the driver. Other alerts can include messages, audible warnings, steering wheel vibrations, and brake jerk warnings. A variety of conditions must be met to engage Active Driving Assist. See your owner's manual for more information. If any of these conditions are not met, the system will be temporarily disabled, then re-enabled when all the conditions are met. To turn the system off completely, press the ADA button again. Keep the system off when driving in more challenging situations like urban environments, construction zones, bad weather, or on poorly maintained roads. Remember, the ADA system does not warn about or prevent collisions with other vehicles or obstacles and will not respond to traffic lights, signs, or cross traffic. Always remain alert and pay attention to traffic conditions when using the system. This video is not intended to take the place of your owner's manual. For complete details and other important safety information, please see your owner's information.